Where else can you get an established bodega that has been fully licensed in operation with fridges, with freezers? Where?
And a bar fully established with 4 apartments on top, generating over $100,000 a year? Welcome to 15th Park Ave. Let's go take a look.
Guys, thank you for taking this video tour with us. This is an incredible opportunity. Crazy downtown location, great cap rate, great opportunity for an investor to make some serious cash. We look forward to hearing from you. Shoot us both a message.